Windows must run smoothly, so they're closely checked. And a car built for any Australian road, there can be no doubt about the springs. Radiators are subjected to vibration tests to search for any defects. And special consideration is given to that bugbear of all motorists, the door. Locks and hinges are tested mechanically for weeks on end. This apparatus simulates the wear seats and springs will receive in operation. And now the body itself. Dies are machined by this Keller duplicating machine, and in the sheet metal preparation shop, raw steel blanks are cut by rotary shears ready for the presses. After dies are machined, they're loaded into these presses, each performing a different operation. The clearing machine presses larger panels in a single movement. Smaller sections of the body are handled in smaller presses, and the biggest job is done by the giant Hamilton press. There's real power there, thrusting the machine die down on a steel blank. A matter of seconds and the presser is released. But in those few seconds, Woodville plant has produced another completed roof panel for an all-Australian car. Fabricated panels go to the body assembly shop. Here, floor and side panels are placed in position on bearers, and bodies are moved into special jigs. The sections are clamped tight and held for electric spot welding and oxyacetylene welding. It's beginning to look like a car. Now the roof panel is fitted into position. Australian industry, which won its spurs in war, is proving just as efficient and painstaking in peace. Back in Victoria, everything is ready for final assembly. Slings lift the body for fitting the front and rear axles, and then the car goes to the main conveyor line. From now on, it moves at 2 feet each minute, with something new being added all the time. 4 years of research and planning, and now they're bearing fruit. The 21.6 horsepower, 6-cylinder overhead valve motor, complete, is hoisted into position. The line keeps moving as more and more parts are added. This is production technique to equal anything in the world. An £8.5 million industry in action. Precision tests still continue, checking final wheel alignment. Headlights are adjusted as experts examine non-glare qualities. High-speed rollers keep rear wheels moving to test all instruments, transmission and back axle before road testing. The first car has reached the end of the production line. The job is done, and an Australian car is born. The production of this car is a triumph for Australian industry. It has to have everything national conditions demand: all-weather performance, speed, comfort, high mileage, reliability. Hundreds of men gave it their brains, their skill, their labor. They tailored it to the measure of this wide land. The birth of this car is the birth of a great new industry.